So just remember this clip na heated exchange between PBBM at isang congresswoman from Pampanga na nag-threaten na mag-walkout daw. Okay? The representative's name is Ano York Bondok. So ito siya. Just to remind you.
At distrito. Hindi po kami papayag sa impounding po sa Candaba Swamp. That is a wrong concept and we are not going to allow that. At dyan po sa Candaba, dyan po nag-umpisa ko Balahak movement. If you want a security problem, sirain niyo po yung hanap buhay po ng lahat ng mga magsasaka sa Candaba. Mag-walk out po kami dito.
So, nag-threaten siya ng walkout. I don't know why she was mentioning yung hukbalap. Was it a threat? Napag itutuloy yung impounding, I don't know, may mag-hukbalap ulit. So, ito na nga siya, nag-respond siya sa video ito because it became viral a bit. And, naka-respond lang niya less than an hour ago. So, as you can see here, 45 to 50 minutes ago. So, we already checked and this is her real personal account. So, i-highlight natin siya kasi nga, it's siya yung topic dito and a bit critical yung post sa kanya, and we're gonna give her the floor here. Okay, so nag-respond siya sa isang Facebook user na bigay ng rundown kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari, and then ito na nga po yung response ni Congresswoman. By the way, ito po yung account niya. Okay, this is her real account, 788 friends, and yan. So balik tayo sa comment at basahin natin yung comment niya just to be fair. At naghihintay nga tayo sa mga sagot niya sa tanong natin na wala pa kasi nga siguro hindi niya nakita. And okay, so ang sagot po ni Ma'am Ano York Bondok, Ma'am, thanks for the summary. Ang proposal today is 200 hectares. But an earlier proposal by Secretary Singson, si Babe Singson, dating DPWH Secretary ng panahon ni Pinoy, to Pinoy admitted that ultimately, it's 20 hectares ang permanently malulubog permanently. Sabi niya, this idea, yung idea siguro ng impounding, refuses to die despite fierce opposition from farmers groups because it's being pushed by water concessionaires to gain additional water sources for commercial interests. This is not about flood control, sabi niya. Hindi daw tungkol sa flood control. It's done for corporate interest daw. Something she did not mention at all during her exchange kay PBBM. We wonder why, diba? So, paano naman po ang mga magsasaka at food security? Kasi yun yung lagi niyong sinasabi, yung food security daw at mga magsasaka. The Candaba Swamp produces 50% rice in Pampanga. So, nagtanong naman tayo, we took this opportunity to ask her some questions kasi nga medyo nakakurious kami whatever happened to that Korean loan she mentioned. So, yan. So, sabi namin, we appreciate your comment. So, nag-comment tayo, Rep. York Bondok. Could you clarify what happened with the Korean loan you mentioned during your somewhat heated exchange with the President? So, yan yung isa sa tanong natin. So, you mentioned here fierce opposition by farmers groups. May we know which specific farmers groups you are referring to? Lastly, dami nating tanong, diba tatlo? Following up on PBBM's question regarding your proposed solution, what exactly is your plan to address the flooding issues in your district and in Pampanga province? So, parang Miss Universe yung questions natin. So, actually, nasagot na niya yung tungkol sa solution. Ang sabi niya, keep on dredging daw. So, ito yun.
Ito lang food security po ang importante sa Candaba. Hindi po natin pwedeng galawin. And number two, this is private land. Hindi po pwedeng mag-impounding lang po.
Okay, so what's the solution?
The solution po is to continue dredging,
Yan.
to check po on the flood control plan po of the Bulacan Airport to make sure makalabas po yung tubig.
Having supervised and administered all these dredging projects all around the country, they are temporary and exceedingly expensive.
So, temporary daw, sabi ni President, at exceedingly expensive. So, bakit kaya napaka-fierce yung opposition ni Ano York Bondok? Because nasabi na niya yung private owned daw yung property na yon. Tapos, ano pa, yung magsasaka, food security, ang dami na niyang sinabi. Pero, ito yung nagpa-curious sa amin. Okay, later on dito.
Sir, meron po kaming Korean loan that's going to happen. So,
Yan naman
sana
pala,
po,
But
matuloy po yun.
So, may Korean loan. And we were wondering, kaya nga medyo critical yung post ito sa kanya. So we would like to know what happened sa Korean loan na yan. 'Di ba? Na siguro gagamitin nila sa dredging. So when we check, parang wala daw nangyari. Did not materialize yung Korean loan. Kumbaga, dahil siguro sa mga kaso-kaso sa flood control corruption sa Philippines. And may tanong pa kami, may additional question pa kami actually kay Miss York Bondok. Sabi namin dito, while we await your response, you are now claiming that the impounding proposal is being pushed by water concessioners to gain additional water sources. Something na hindi niya na-point out kay Singson noon. Okay? Point you never raised during your exchange with the president. Parang sa tingin namin afterthought na lang to, no? Yun yung hinala namin if you're watching this, Congresswoman. Parang yun na lang yung naging alibay mo. Kasi nga medyo natabunan yung argument mo ng Korean loan. That actually picked our interest no, whatever happened to that loan, bakit kaya hindi na-approve or bakit hindi nag-materialize, we don't know, and that's why we're waiting for her response. So a point you never raised during your exchange with the president. Dapat ni-raise mo na yan dati pa. Nasarap ka na ni president nasarap ka na ni Babe Singson na may connection. I think that's what she's trying to connect this issue to yung connection ni Singson na nag-propose. Paano ni Pinoy to 'di ba? Nung pre-propose niya, parang ni Pinoy. 'Di ba? Why are you just raising this water concessioners? And halimbawa, totoo nga, kailan pakinabangan yung water na 'yan, 'di ba? Halimbawa, may makikinabang. Sino ba siguro i-bid na lang para walang problema, 'di ba? Dapat pakinabangan yung tubig na ma-i-impound sa Candaba. Halimbawa, nagkaroon nga ng ganyang project. Ano pang aanhin mo yung mga tubig na yun, di ba? Kundi pa kinabangan ng mga tao, for example. So, why oppose it? Di ba? And you're simply making it an issue na para may conspiracy, na that's the reason why the president is trying to push for this, kasi nga may mga makikinabang na water companies. I mean, para sa mga left-leaning na utak, siguro may problema doon, di ba? Pero unless you provide evidence na may nangyaring anomalya, kagaya ng Korean loan mo. Okay, we were simply talking about it na siguro yun yung dahilan kung bakit medyo intense si Congresswoman sa kanyang exchange with the president, kasi may Korean loan. So now you're raising this issue about this water concessioners na sa tingin namin, yes, pag may ma-provide kang evidence na may masamang balak, 'di ba? Why not? So hinihintay namin yung sagot niya dito. So we're simply asking Congresswoman Ana York Bondok kung ano tong water concessioners na to. Ito ba yung may nilad na connected kay Singson? 'Di ba? May point nga naman siya. Halimbawa kung mayroon siya may ipapakitang ebidensya na may sinister motives nga dito, na pakikinabangan lang yan. Pero if that could solve, for example, flood water, I mean, at hindi lang flood water kundi water shortage, why not, 'di ba? Why not? Unless this representative provides evidence to the contrary.